wish I could turn back my clock to a simpler past, to the life that we had. I wanna go somewhere alone, feeling the pressure in my bones.
Hey, what's up you guys? It's Ari. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Ari. Today we are going to be doing a like scene emo alternative like fashion clothing haul, because recently since it was just Halloween a little while ago and everything spooky and edgy was out, I got a bunch of new scene clothes. Lots of things I've been looking for a long time I finally found. Lots of stuff that I got because they were discounted after Halloween, and a lot of people on my Instagram have asked where I get my clothes, and I've posted some of the stuff that I've got, so I thought I would make a whole video dedicated to just all of my little clothes I've gotten recently and telling you where I got them. Also, I hope you like my background. This is a wall in my bedroom that I've been painting for like 2 years. It is rainbow bricks, as you can see, but I have not finished the blue or the purple. I'm hoping to do that before I move out though, because that would be kind of sad if I never finish it. But if you like the background, you should comment and let me know, because I'm totally down to film in front of this if you guys like it, but I know that some of you guys like my ocean background too. So the first thing that I have to show you I'm actually wearing, well, the first two things I'm wearing, but this is a necklace that I got. Actually my friend Eva got it for me, and I know my lighting's really weird, that's because my light is right under us, but it's this little necklace. We got it at Spencer's. It's a knife, obviously, with blood on it, and the knife is actually a mirror. There we are. That's our reflection. So yeah, it's just a cute little like metal knife with a mirror as the metal, and then really like shiny, sparkly blood coming off of it. So yeah, my friend Eva got me this, so it's really cute. The next thing is this dress, and I'm actually going to move the camera down so you can see it better. So it's like a holographic skeleton dress. The bottom is a circle skirt. You can see it has like the bones on it, the legs. So it's really cute. It's a little bit short on me, as you can see, but not too short. I just think it's really cute. It fits me really well, which is like a really rare thing for me to find. And then of course on the top it has the skeleton. It has kind of like flowers. I think it has roses growing out of the ribcage and stuff on it. And then the whole thing is holographic, as you can see, which is pretty cool. And it also goes all down the arms. And a cool thing about this is that it also has a hood. It's kind of a large hood. And I have space buttons going on, so it's interesting. But yeah, it has a hood, so that's really cute. And I got this at Spirit Halloween for about $20 because it was half off the day after Halloween. So the next thing is actually a few things, but the first thing is this shirt. So this is actually a part of like a children's Halloween costume. As you can see on the back, it's like all elasticy and stuff. It had like sleeves that went to here that were kind of ripped. It kind of looked like pirate sleeves. And then I cut it right here because it was like a cheerleader dress and I just wanted the top. So it's black, and then it has the pink kind of like V collar with these silvery thingies. What are these called? There's a word for them. Anyways, these are on it. Then it has the skull and some pink stars and stuff on it. And then right here, you can see it's like fishnets that goes around. So yeah, this is just like part of the Halloween costume, but I wanted it as a shirt, so I bought the Halloween costume half off at Spirit, and then I cut it into this. And then this tutu, I've actually been wearing this tutu lately. I just think it's really cute, and like, I don't know, I think wearing the tutus is like a element of scene culture that I think is really fun. So yeah, this is just a sparkly tutu. It's black, and what I like about it is that it has like this layer, and then it has the layers of the tulle, and then the layer of the sparkly stuff, because it's easier to wear like without shorts or anything underneath it, because it isn't completely see-through. This one, I don't know if I already said this, but I got it at Walmart for $10 before Halloween. And then it actually does have like a really thick waistband, as you can see. But usually it just kind of looks weird with the waistband, so I just fold it over and I wear it like this. I don't want to put the camera down anymore because my floor is kind of messy and I'm embarrassed. So I'm just gonna go on my tiptoes for these. But I also got these tights. So fun fact about these tights, I have been wanting this tight, like these tights, specifically pink and black striped. I have white and black striped ones, but I really want pink and black striped ones. I have been looking for these for like about 2 years. Every Halloween I go to every Halloween store, every Halloween section in like Walmart and Target trying to find them. They're always sold out. So I was on a walk and I decided to go buy candy at this store called Reams, which is just a Utah thing, I'm pretty sure. But they had these in their little Halloween section that was like 10 feet long. But I found them and I was super happy. So yeah, I got these pink tights. Also, they go really cute with like this because it's also pink, and my other, like my Ouija board shirt that's pink. So yeah. And then to show the rest of the tights I got, I'm gonna wear my black skirt. But I did want to show this really quickly while I had these tights on because they're not as see-through. This I got at Claire's. It was on sale for $2 the day after Halloween. And it is a little bit harder to wear just because it is 3 layers of see-through tulle. Like you can see through it, obviously. So yeah, I have to like wear shorts and stuff with it, but it's cute and it's red. So this is more if I'm going for more of like an emo look with like red and black versus a scene look with like the sparkles or like the pink tights. But yeah, it was only $2, so I got it. Okay, to be completely honest, I don't have any other shirts that I really want to wear, so I'm just gonna keep this on like through the whole thing. But the next thing that I got are these tights. These are more kind of like see-through than my other ones. But there's spiderwebs on them with spiders. So, oh, this is fun. I'm like doing yoga. Okay, you can see my messy floor. I'm over it. I'll just kick that aside. Anyways, yeah, so they're spider webs. They're black, kind of like, they're like almost see-through, but they're not see-through. They're just mostly see-through like at the knees when I bend my knees, but then the rest of the time they're black. And they have a white spider web design all over them, with basically just all over them. There's just different spider webs. And then they have like spiders on them. So yeah, these I got mostly to wear under things like under shorts or under skirts or like under dress, not just to wear on their own, obviously. But yeah. All right, next we have these tights, which are basically the exact same as the pink tights. But I got these at Walmart the day after Halloween on sale. So I just really love the striped tights. Like, I don't know what it is with me and striped tights, but I think they're so cute. I love wearing them under my sparkly tutu. I dress like a 5-year-old, but like it's fine honestly because like I look cute. They're just the same as the pink ones, but they're blue. I really like this color blue. Like, it's really pretty. This is basically the same color blue that's on my merch. So if you want to get the blue one, you can match my tights. I probably will end up getting the blue one soon. I don't actually have all of my merch. I only have some of it. But I'm going to be ordering like every merch item that I have soon, and maybe some new merch. But I've gotten a few new shirts lately, like band shirts that have blue on them. So I'm hoping to wear this with like either this or like black shorts or galaxy shorts, and then with like my blue band shirts, and I think it's going to be really cute. Okay, so I have like 4 more items, but I thought I would bring the camera back up here to my face for a moment so you don't just have to look at my messy room. So the next thing I got actually came with this Halloween costume. It also came with little plastic pom-poms, but I don't wear those, so they're not in the video. But there are these cute gloves. So it's like a pink fingerless glove vibe. The holes are a little bit small for my thumbs because they're for children, but it's like a pink fingerless glove attached to a fishnet, and then at the bottom, or is this the top? At this part of the fishnet, it's like pink stripes, and this is almost the exact same color as the pink tights that I got. So I like wearing these with the pink tights because then it's like all matching and cute. And I know that it's not pulled up all the way on this arm, but that's because I have a massive scab on my arm from work. I need to be more careful at work, but honestly I get injured there all the time. But yeah, I really like these. Obviously I can wear them with this shirt because they go with it, but I can also wear them with my pink tights or just anything because they're cute. So yeah, that was a plus. Like, I didn't even realize that it came with these, and then as I opened it to get the shirt out, like the dress out to cut it, they fell out, and I was like, cute. Okay, so the last like clothing item that is an accessory that I have are these tights. They are skeleton tights, as you can see. The legs do stop right here, like, so you kind of have to wear like shorts or a skirt long enough to cover it because they stop right above the knee. Well, it's not actually on the knee, but like, you know, where the knee is on the pants. But they're really cute, and I just wore them to wear like under skirts or like shorts, just because, like, I don't know, why not have skeleton legs instead of your normal legs? I think that's fun. Okay, so the last 2 things that I have to show you guys are not like really clothing, but they're accessories. So the first one is just this bracelet. I got it at Claire's for like $2 or something. It was on clearance, and it's a slap bracelet, which these were like so fun in elementary school, and I feel like we stopped caring about them when we get older, but I think that they're still equally fun. Oh, go. But yeah, I just really love pink like tiger stripes because I think that it's very scene. Like I really want pants of this pattern. I've yet to find them, but one day I will. And then the very last thing is actually this. It says glitter mascara on it, but I'm not exactly sure if it is glitter mascara. I got this at Walmart also. So it says glitter mascara. That's the only thing it says on it. The brand is Almar? I don't even know. So I was all excited that I got glitter mascara, but then I opened it. That's not a mascara brush. I know the camera's not going to focus on it and I don't feel like focusing the camera, but you can see that it's a lip gloss brush. So I was like, maybe you're supposed to just like do that onto your eyelashes. Well, I tried that and it does not work. Like it does not show up on your eyelashes. And I was like, well, maybe it is lip gloss, so I put it on my lips. Definitely not lip gloss. Does not taste like something you should be putting on your lips. So what I did end up doing with it is just using it like on my face, like on my eyes. So you can see today I did rainbow eyeshadow and I covered it in glitter with my glitter mascara. So hopefully the light and the camera picked up that well, but yeah. Wow, my camera's literally telling me it's about to die even though I just charged it, so it's time to do the outro. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up so that I know. I'm really hoping to do a lot more like scene clothing fashion videos and show you guys like my hat collection, my high top collection, like all sorts of different things. And I'm going to be trying to do some hair, like scene hair videos as well. I also got a scene wig, but I didn't show that to you because it's not styled yet the way that I want it to be. So keep a lookout for that in future videos, or on my Instagram. I might wear it on there. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at It's Ari Grace. It's always linked in the description if you want to see my outfits. I try to do daily fit checks whenever I do put a real like outfit on. And keep your eye out for something fun coming on December 1st. Anyways, I don't have much time before my camera dies, so I love you guys so much. I will see you on the streets and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
I'm lying on the ground again. There's something